His father has a full beard. Unfortunately, his beard didn't grow like his father. He is here at GLOJAS here today to do a beard hair transplant with a smart FUE technique. The graft is already being filled up in all the design area. So this day one. Now this is on the right side, the goatee connecting to the beard. This is the mustache, this is the philtrum. This is on the left mustache, on the left goatee. All the graft being placed in the right angle, direction and the density to give him a full beard like his father.
Everything went well. Just one word, awesome. Okay, thanks to Professor Dato Dr. JasG and the team. Thank you, GLOJAS.